Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, there lived a group of curious kids named Smith, John, Sarah. They loved nothing more than embarking on exciting adventures and uncovering mysteries hidden in the shadows. One foggy evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and the stars began to twinkle in the night sky, Smith, John, Sarah stumbled upon an old abandoned mansion at the edge of town. The mansion had long been rumored to be haunted, but the kids were undeterred by the spooky stories swirling around it.
Hey guys, look at that mansion. Do you think it's really haunted like they say?
Who knows, Sarah? But I think it would be fun to explore and see what secrets it holds.
Count me in. Let's go see if we can find any ghosts.
With hearts pounding with excitement, the three friends crept up to the mansion's front door and pushed it open with a creak. Inside, they found themselves surrounded by shadows and dust, their imaginations running wild with thoughts of ghosts lurking in the darkness. Suddenly, from the shadows emerged a figure, pale and translucent, with a friendly smile on its face.
Boo, did I scare you, kiddos?
Whoa, a ghost! But you're not like the scary ones in the stories. Are you here to haunt us?
Haunt you? Oh goodness, no. I'm just a friendly ghost who's been watching over this old mansion for years. My name is Costco, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Costco. We're Sarah, Smith, John. We came here hoping to solve the mystery of the haunted mansion. But it looks like there's no mystery after all. You're just a friendly ghost.
Well, I do have one mystery for you kids to solve. There's a hidden treasure buried somewhere in this mansion, and I've been trying to find it for ages. Maybe you can help me?
A treasure hunt? That sounds like fun! Let's do it, guys!
And so, with Costco guidance, Sarah, Smith, John embarked on an exciting treasure hunt through the old mansion, following clues and solving puzzles along the way. In the end, they unearthed the hidden treasure, a chest filled with glittering jewels and ancient artifacts.
Congratulations, kiddos! You did it! Thank you for helping me find the treasure. Now, whenever you need a friend, you know where to find me.
Thanks, Costco. You're the best ghost a kid could ask for. Yeah, thanks for showing us that not all ghosts are scary. You're a true friend.
We'll never forget this adventure, Costco. And who knows? Maybe we'll have more adventures together in the future.
And so, with the treasure in hand and a newfound friendship in their hearts, Sarah, John, Smith bid farewell to Costco and the old mansion, their minds buzzing with excitement at the thought of future adventures yet to come.